never seen it that high up here. Like,
I'd ring Steve or whoever and tell him not to come near this road. I'm actually fucking shitting it. My stomach's in bits. Fuck's sake.
You're alright, just keep going, just go slow. You're alright, he's alright. His
If it gets into the engine.
yeah, I know, but his engine is out of water. You're alright.
Oh God.
You're alright. It's okay. It's just hitting the bumper.
I'm alright, but oh my God.
Is that your ankle? Is the least you're having?
It's getting deeper. Oh my God, I can feel it under the car.
It's alright. Why didn't they just direct everybody away from this rather than letting us go down here? It's up at the shops and everything. It's going in the door of the shop.
Oh, fuck them. Hope that shop looks fucking wrecked.
Oh my God. Do you want to go for a swim? You're alright, you're out of it, you're out of it.